Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is well. So I have been learning a little bit about visual storytelling, and I'm going to try and incorporate that into my salad making. This is a video series of salads and of video making, so I'm even storyboarding some stuff. So hopefully that's going to start to come through in this video, and I think in future videos. I like the way of like thinking about different shots and whatever. But back to the salad, that's still important as well. Basically today's salad, we are going to do a bed of spinach with some salads, and basically in today's salad, so spinach, salad, we're going to take the spiralized, so for today's salad we're going to take some pumpkin, we're going to saute that off with the onions. So this is the spiralized pumpkin we had from yesterday. We're going to chop up some tomatoes. We're going to basically pop some cannellini beans on top of that. We're going to pop some feta on. All of that is going to go onto a base of baby spinach with some gem lettuce, and there's going to be a beautiful avocado on top with some nuts, some mixed nuts. So let's get to it.